working on practicing my 808s in Serum 2. It is one of the fundamentals of jungle, drum and bass, dubstep, garage, all these cool things. So if you don't know how to do a wicked 808, someone else does, okay? So you need to learn it, practice it, get real good at it and push the boundaries, okay? Let me show you on this one here. So as you see, I've got the default. And first things first is we're going to create this shape. Now, this is the shape I'm creating every single time, guys. So if you're a bit confused on this bit, just follow this step by step. Even delete your bass and practice this again and again and again and again, just to get your head around it. So you make this shape and click envelope, right? Master matrix up here, and then it's LFO1 because it's LFO1, okay? Then we want 2 arrows. Then on the destination, it's global master tune, main tuning, sorry. Nothing on this one. And then you go down 2 semitones, right? So if I play an E, this is going to go from E to D. It's going to go boom. So it starts on E, but it lands on D. Important, okay? So I'm probably going to play like an F, and then it'll land on E flat, right? So that's one step, but there's a lot more steps that wait there, okay? Next step is, if you want to be super posh with it, which you do, LFO2 now on 1 arrow, and it's same again, global master tune. Click to LFO2 and create this ramp, and then lift this up, and it's creating that kick drum effect, like a slide, but if we tighten it, more of a kick drum, okay? Put it to sine wave, random down, bit of release, bit of attack, and that's sounding pretty good so far. But then if we jump in and click distortion, make sure on envelope, okay, so that's sort of pretty cool 808. One more thing you could do is add the filter, and it's LFO2. Alt Shift click. I like to put a bit of that on the drive as well. Cool, and if you can't hear that, that's because we might need to apply it to this filter now. Alt Shift click, press post. Cool, and you've got a pretty good 808 there. Save that. This will be going in June the 1st, Patreon. It's only about 12 quid something. Right, next step, what could we do? If you wanted, we can turn the sub on and move this, add some FM. I'm just taking it through a sine wave, but we'll go, not FM, sorry, we'll go PD from B, because remember PD is what FM used to be in Serum. Octaves up. So you just got a bit of a variation there. Another thing you could try is the filter. If you go multi and go LB12, makes it a bit more subby, but it's sort of the low mids. Just save that as subby. And don't forget, you can also drag your audio here. So it'll be, let me try move that to there. So you can also add the noise, but we'll go filter 2, go along here to high pass and click noise. Now add this LFO1 and let's distort this son of a gun, and then that'll make it so it sort of crunches up the noise. And that's another cool one. Remember, links below. June the 1st these drop, but this month there is some cool ones in this month as well. They're all just as good. I mean, they're slowly getting better and better because it's all I've been doing with my life at all. Okay, so let me do this and then I'll show you what to do, or you can just get the sounds yourself and reverse engineer it. Maybe you don't like making synths and you just want presets, that's fine as well. Cool, and then you can just cool, let me show you from the beginning. It's 130 this beat, by the way. I'll leave the project below if you want it.